This video will cover installation of Nessus onto a Windows platform. First, copy the Nessus MSI file to the system on which it is being installed, or to a shared network drive accessible by the system. Nessus must be installed using an account with administrative privileges. If you receive any errors related to permissions, access denied, or errors suggesting an action occurred due to lack of privileges, ensure that an appropriate account is being used. If you receive these errors while using command line utilities to install Nessus, run cmd.exe as an administrator. For increased performance and scan reliability, it is highly recommended that Nessus be installed on a server product from the Microsoft Windows product suite, such as Windows Server 2008 64-bit. Some antivirus software packages may classify Nessus as a worm or some other form of malware. This is due to the large number of TCP connections generated during a scan. Most AV packages allow you to add processes to an exception list. Add nessus.exe and nessus-service.exe to this list to avoid such warnings. After downloading, double-click on the Nessus MSI installation icon to begin the installation process. You will need to accept the license agreement. Click on Install to continue the installation. To support IPv6 scanning from the Windows installation of Nessus, you will need to accept the installation of the WinPCAP NDIS driver. When this prompt appears, click Automatically Start the WinPCAP driver at boot time. Click on Install in order to proceed with IPv6 support. After the install has completed, click on Finish. If desired, view the Windows installer log to see installation details. The Nessus service will start automatically after install. You can now access the Nessus web interface to activate and configure Nessus.